Hello everyone, welcome back to GK Today. I'm Palak Khandelwal. Today we are discussing the top MCQ which are related to the banking, economy and finance current affairs of 25th of August 2022. So this series is beneficial for all banking exam aspirant. So who officially opened Bosch India's brand new smartphone campus in Bengaluru, a leading provider of technology and service. So the correct answer of this question is option B, that is Narendra Modi. So recently the new smart campus of Bosch India, a top provider of technology and service in Bengaluru, is essentially inaugurated by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Okay, so now next question. Which state won the award for implementing the Ration Shop under the National Food Security Act? So the correct answer of this question is option D, that is Odisha. So recently Odisha topped in the state ranking for implementation of National Food Security Act through our ration shops. Okay, so now next question. Which low and middle income country received the most remittance inflow in 2021 according to a research published by the World Health Organization? So the correct answer of this question is option A, that is USA. So recently the India was top recipient of country for the remittance inflow in 2021 in current US dollar among the low and middle income countries according to a report released by the World Health Organization. Okay, so now next question. A license and regulatory framework for digital banks and discussed in the paper digital banks along with a model and a strategy for putting it into a place. So basically the digital bank paper was delivered by which organization? So the correct answer of this question is option B, that is NITI-IO. So recently, the digital banks paper from NITI-IO are rational for a licensing and regulatory framework for digital bank for as well as the template and a path for implementing it. Okay, so now next question. Who has overtaken Microsoft founder Bill Gates to become the fourth richest person in the world according to the Forbes Real-Time Billionaires List? So the correct answer of this question is option C, that is Gautam Adani. So recently, as per the Forbes Real-Time Billionaire List, India's richest person Gautam Adani has now also become the fourth richest person in the world, leaving behind Microsoft founder Bill Gates. Okay, so now next question. After years of all allegation that it's turned a blind eye to online atrocities that foster real-world violence in nations like India and Myanmar, which of the following has released its first annual human rights report? So the correct answer of this question is option C, that is Meta. So recently the Facebook owner Meta released its first annual human rights reports following years of accusation that has turned a blind eye to the online abuses that fueled real-world violence in places like India and Myanmar. Okay, so now next question. Which of the following state has the highest percentage of funding used as a part of the government flagship smart city mission? So the correct answer of this question is option A, that is Tamil Nadu. So recently the Tamil Nadu tops the list of the states so far as a utilization of fund under the government flagship smart city mission is concerned. Okay, so now next question. Which regulatory agency will host Bima Manthan 2022, its inaugural hackathon in August 2022 with a focus innovation in insurance? So the correct answer of this question is option C, that is IRDAI. So recently the Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India is organizing its first hackathon Bima Manthan 2022 with a theme of innovation in insurance. Okay, so now next question. Which bank in Bengaluru opened its first branch specifically for startup in Koramangala? So the correct answer of this question is option A, that is State Bank of India. So recently the country's largest lender, State Bank of India, has launched its first branch dedicated to startup in Koramangala in Bengaluru. Okay, so now next question. Who was elected to serve as a managing director of National Bank for Financing, Infrastructure and Development? So the correct answer of this question is option A, that is Raj Kiran Raji. So recently the Center and the Board of National Bank for Financing, Infrastructure and Development have appointed Raj Kiran Raji as its managing director for 5 years.